Oh!
I made it, though.
You made it.
At least I didn't get hurt.
No, you did good.
Ugh.
Let's get up and try again.
At least my bike's not so heavy. Is that
It's kind of getting hard because you're going back uphill. So try to go over here. Okay?
Okay.
All right. All right, now put your foot right there.
Let's stay in balance.
Gotcha.
Whoa!
Yeah, see, it's harder to start. Let's see.
By yourself.
Yeah, but you're going to get it. I can feel it. Okay?
Can you hold me?
Yes, I'll hold it. Put that left foot up. Put the other foot up. Pedal. Pedal. Don't forget to pedal. Keep pedaling.
I am.
Pedal hard.
Not stopping.
Woo!
Until one time.
Good job. Good job, hon. That is